This video is sponsored by Dreametech D10. I'm at Dad's new build home doing a little cleaning, a little organizing at his home while spending a little quality time with him. Come clean with me, starting with the floors. 45 days of hands-free cleaning. Yes, please. The Dreametech 10 has a mopping feature and a self-emptying base station for the price point. I was super impressed. Hands down, this is the best gift for my dad. It's coming up on almost a year since he lost his wife, and he's adjusting to his new normal. With that being said, this Dreametech D10 will be a great help to him. Let me show you the features. The 360-degree sensor will create a map. You can set invisible walls, which is great if you don't want your pet to be disturbed while he's resting. And you can also set no-go zones, no mopping zones, and the suction setting, and even the water volume setting, and so much more. Using the app, it allows you to fully automate your day-to-day cleaning. No need to worry about emptying the dustbin after cleaning because the robot automatically goes back to the self-emptying base station. And from there, it automatically empties the dirt into this 2.5-liter shield bag. Like I said earlier, that's 45 days of free cleaning. Suction strength is great, especially at this price point. Now, you must keep in mind, human hair and pet hair, depending on how much hair you have on your pet or on your head, it takes up more space, so you may have to empty it before the 45 days. You can attach the mopping pad and vacuum at the same time. The mopping feature, it will get up wine, juice, coffee, but like any sticky substance that has been sitting for a long time, you may have to repeat. And one huge benefit for my dad is that it's quiet. Overall, it's an incredible bang for your buck. I will leave a link to Dreametech D10 in my description box for your shopping convenience. If you are currently helping your elderly parents or if you're some sort of caregiver, I understand you. My sister and I have been adjusting to the landscape of caring for my dad, and it's a new normal for all of us, and getting to where we are at today did not come overnight. Best advice I can give you if you have siblings is to work together. Sissy and I work very well, communicating thoroughly and often, if not daily. And as things change, it's important that we keep each other updated as much as possible. And as far as, the household chores, we tackle it as it comes. My sister, she kind of schedules it. I wing it. There's no one individual that can do all the work. So you have to work as a team. I admire my big sis so much. She's so much stronger than me. And I must admit, she's my shoulder to lean on. And I love her so much for being the rock of the family. Using items that will benefit the elderly, especially when they have deep cabinets, it's almost impossible for them to get anything from way in the back. And the nightmare of the necessary evilness of the pipes is not easy to organize around this setup. Trust me, easy access organization is what Dad needs with this 2-tier under cabinet slider. The bottom drawer pulls out so he doesn't have to reach way in the back, and the extras for having scrub brushes and a little cubby for his sponges. Organizing for seniors can somewhat be an overwhelming challenge, especially if they downsize in their home because you are faced with a large amount of quantity due to their age and collecting things over the years. Now, emotional attachment is sometimes devastating. I told Dad to keep what means the most to him, and Dad was such a trooper of letting items go that he didn't use or need, yet he kept sentimental items that meant the world to him and his wife. I'm protecting Dad's investment with these shelf liners in his favorite color blue. It helps to stop water damage in drawers or shelves. I even got a great deal on this flatware utensil drawer organizer. It's expandable and customizable to fit any drawer. Keeping things simple inside the flatware drawer to help keep his items stored neatly. My stepmom loved to cook and she loved her kitchen over the years. She accumulated a lot of items, and since my sister and I cook for him now, he doesn't need all those things. We did keep sentimental items that they both loved. Again, lining the drawers, trust me, you will not regret doing this. Storage bag organizer is a must for finding what he needs with ease, and it helps to maximize his space. Dad has a pretty decent pantry. I'm a little jelly, to be honest. I promise I will share the entire setup another day. This is where we keep his appliances so we don't crowd up his counters. If the decor items look a little familiar, it's because I had these items already and I just kind of saved them for Dad. And I love that everything is functional and beautiful. Seriously, everyone should have a handheld shower. This is perfect for anyone who has limited mobility. It helps them to clean themselves effectively while keeping the shower clean. I changed one in Dad's old house by myself and it was easy. It's only fitting that he has one in his new home. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video, and I will be sure to leave a link to Dreametech in my description box. And I want to thank you all for watching.